Hello, hey guys, welcome to back to my YouTube channel. Instagram has been message box has been new issues problems. Starting the Instagram has been open the example first of all the clicks, the readment checking has been issues, refreshings, but any network repost fail. Please try to again refreshing. Let me the feed checkings network repost failing fail. Please try to again error. Android well and iPhone same processing. First of all, the internet connection, the Wi-Fi router 10 seconds has been reset. Air mode has been on off. Android well processing. Open and the update app has been now. Install app Instagram app has been updated now. And second step important has been updated and press scored on and the officially the sport team selected the officially the sport teams and the sport team has been gmails selected share the gmail selected our officially team the share error problems and Instagram android meta.com the officially gmail has been share error problems the shares and screenshot and the issues problems but any officially team reply the problem the update now resolving update now. Thank for watching this video.